Hi guys, welcome back. If you guys are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning today, and there's probably going to be 1 out of 5 parts to this. I know it's just a refrigerator clean with me, but yet I have like so many stuff in my fridge that needed to be cleaned, organized, declutter. So that's why there's actually 5 parts. I wanted to make it just for 1 part, but then again, I can only fit 15 minutes in my video, so that's why I decided to make it 5 parts. I hope it's not too long, and I know that some of these videos motivate me to clean. I hope that it motivates you as well and inspires you to clean or declutter anything around your home, and give you some inspiration and ideas to actually clean. I don't know if this actually can happen, but I'm actually really proud, and I have my son, so I'm actually drinking coffee, and I'll be cleaning soon, so just keep an eye on the next 4 videos after this one, and I'll link it at the end of the video or down below. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so this is my refrigerator. It's really messy, I warn you. So I just want to give it a little peek of how dirty it is on the outside and the inside. I'm going to be cleaning the outside soon, but for now, I'm more worried about the inside, and it is like super overload and super bad and super packed. I was meaning to clean this for some time now, and well, it has really been bad for the past couple of weeks. We went to like 2 trips, and then I got sick, and then it carried on to like till now. So now I'm actually cleaning this fridge, and hoping you guys are able to watch with me and see how the process goes, and how far I can actually clean it and make it a little bit better for me and my kids to actually grab water, grab anything we wanted. But I threw a lot of stuff away, and you'll see it soon. So I'm actually getting a black trash bag and throwing all the unnecessary foods away, or the rotten foods that have been there for a while, and then just toss anything you don't want. This is how I actually clean my fridge and everything else. I usually just take everything out and see what I have and don't have, and see what's good and what's not, and then reorganize it that way, and then clean the inside too as well. So yeah, so it's gonna be a big bag load of trash. And then moving on to the dining table, all the stuff that I actually got from the fridge, and I put it on my dining room table. And there was a lot to actually throw away. That's why there's actually going to be 4 parts to this. So if you guys do enjoyed it, go ahead and watch the other 4. And then I had to organize everything, had to sort everything, and just toss basically a lot of stuff away. If you guys make it to the end of this video, I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed it, also give me a thumbs up too. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already done it, and if you guys want to watch more of this refrigerator clean with me, there's gonna be 4 more parts to this, so I hope you guys can go and check those out too as well. And I do have an Instagram, and I'll link it down below if you guys have any questions. And in Facebook, follow me on social media, and I would be gladly follow you too as well. So just come by and say hi, and I would definitely just come and follow each and every one of you, and so we can actually be a YouTube community. So I hope you enjoy this clean with me refrigerator, and I hope to see you again soon.